Everyone is fighting this global pandemic. The rest are asked to stay at home, but some continue to party. And in most cases, the law does nothing. And after instance of pressure from a section of media, crime branch cracked down on a rave party in Vagator. The crime branch arrested 23 persons after raiding a rave party at Vagator village in North Goa on Saturday late night. Drugs worth over 9 lakh rupees was seized from the venue. The party was happening at Firangipani Villas in Vagator. A man who had organized the party was also arrested under NDPS Act, police said. 19 others who were present for the party were also arrested for violating the law related to social distancing. The police said among the 19 who were arrested, several of them are domestic tourists and also others, while who had arrived for holiday in the coastal belt state.
We had received information regarding one rave party which was going to be conducted somewhere in Anjuna. Immediately we put together 3 teams of crime branch which raided the place, and there we found narcotic drugs which were worth around 9 lakh rupees. 23 other people were participating in the party, which included 3 foreigners. We have placed all of them under arrest and booked cases of violating lockdown provisions and also for narcotic substances. There were 3 foreigner ladies who were found at the party. All 3 of them were found in the possession of narcotic drugs. They have been arrested. It was a limited invitation party given to, I think, 25-30 people who had all come there. And drugs, we have made a list of the drugs. We are in the process of conclusively identifying them, but so far suspected drugs are charas. We have found MDMA, we have found ecstasy tablets, and we have found cocaine. All of that put together comes to around 9 lakh rupees.
The Superintendent of Police Crime Branch, Sobit Saxena, squarely put the onus on the Goa police personnel to ensure that such activities do not take place in Goa. Listen to what he has to say.
Right now it is the focus and priority of Goa police to ensure public health and public safety. This raid was a part of that drive, and while our staff also goes for these raids, we ensure full safety for our staff. They are all taking proper precautions, and I think I really have to admire the courage of our police officers who go there.
After the news of this party reached the local MLA, Vinod Palekar reacted to this. He said the drug trade was flourishing on the coastal belt with the blessings of local cops and also some politicians. The Goa Forward delegation will meet the DGP on this matter and brief him about the same. He said, watch.
एक फिरंगीपाणी बंगलोज म्हणून वागाथोर काय बंगले आसात आणि थंयसर रेव पार्टी जोरान चलताली आणि थंयसर बातमीच्या आधारे अशें दिसून आयलां की 9 लाखाचे ड्रग्स थंयसर धरलेले आसा. हांवें सातत्यान पत्रकार परिशदेन सुद्दां हेजेर उजवाड घातलेलो, अनेक टीव्हींक मुलाखती सुद्दां दिल्यो की म्हज्या मतदारसंघान वागाथर म्हणटा थंय सातत्यान रेव पार्ट्यो जातात आनी अशा तरेचे अंमली पदार्थाचे भयंकर व्यापार थंयसर चल्लेलो आसता. म्हजी मागणी आहा मुख्यमंत्र्यां कडेन की अशा तरेच्यो ह्यो ज्यो रेव पार्ट्यो चलता तेचेर जर तुमी कांय कंट्रोल दवरूं शकना जाल्यार हें जें खातें आसा तुमचे कडेन ते खातें काडून बंदर कप्तान मंत्री जे मायकल लोबो आसा तेंचे कडेन दिल्यार बरें जातलें. ते म्हाका दिसता बऱ्या तरेन हें खातें सांबाळूं शकतले, हाताळूं शकतले. म्हणून परत एकदा एक विनंती आसा की अशा तरेच्यो जर सुरवेकूच रेव पार्ट्यो जावपाक लागल्यो तर येणाऱ्या कांय दिसा भितर म्हज्या मतदारसंघातली जी किनारपट्टी भागातली पिढी आसा आनी म्हजे स्वाभिमानी शिवोलकार आसात, ह्या शिवोले भितर हे अंमली पदार्थाचे लोण पसरपाक वेळच लागचो ना.
Many people took social media to react over the party, including Porvorim MLA Rohan Kaunte. He said in his tweet that he has always been vociferous about the politician drug mafia nexus in Kalangut and its surrounding areas under the sponsorship of Who You Know. This was a very reason that quarantine tourism was promoted so that drug business is not affected by shortage of tourists. Earlier, many such cases of private parties were reported. In one case, the recent private party that took place in Arpora, which went super viral on social media. Police were later informed, but no one was arrested in this. Neither the person who organized it, nor the person who owned the villa, nor the person who was involved in the fight. What is the police doing? Are the police pressurized by the rich or the politicians or the high profile is the question that civic society has been asking till date. The shadow of coronavirus still continues, however the high profile outing and parties still continue in the state. The tourism season has not even begun in Goa, but the parties and social gatherings have begun. People have been renting places or even having private parties at their homes or their backyards. Yet, no action has been taken. The media has been highlighting all these issues, but the government, the ministers, and the local authorities and the police also are still silent on this. No arrest, no solution to such activities. It is Sandeep Kamulkar, Amar Chavaria with Clinton D'Souza for Goa 365.